Hello students, today in the chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes, our topic is classification of triangles. First of all, pairs of lines, coincident lines. What are coincident lines? See, here I have taken line M and another line L. You can see L is lying on M. It means they have all the common points and these are called coincident lines. Now, perpendicular lines. Again, line M and line L. These are perpendicular lines as they are making angle of 90 degree with each other, or they are intersecting at 90 degree. Parallel lines. Here L and M are parallel as they never meet each other. They have no common point. Intersecting lines. Yes, here S and T are intersecting lines as they have one common point or one intersecting point. That is O. Now, classification of triangles on the basis of their angles. First of all, acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all the three angles are less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. You can see in this figure all the angles are less than 90, 40, 75 and 65. All are less than 90. So, it is an acute angle triangle. The next one, right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle which has one right angle, and in this right angle triangle we can name the sides of this triangle as the angle is, here the angle is 90 degree, so the side opposite to the 90 degree, a right angle, is hypotenuse. Okay, and this one is base and this one is height. We can use Pythagoras theorem. In 7th class you will learn the Pythagoras theorem which is related to right angle triangle. Now the next one, obtuse angle triangle. The obtuse angle triangle have one of the angles greater than 90 degrees. See in this figure 96 degree. One of the angle is 96 degree which is greater than 90. So it is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now classification of triangle on the basis of their sides. Equilateral triangle. The triangle which has all the three sides equal or of the same length is called equilateral triangle. You can see here all the sides are A, means equal sides, and you must notice that it will also have all the angles 60 degree. Okay, so equilateral triangle has all the angles 60 degree. Next one, on the basis of their sides, Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which at least two sides are equal, that is, have the same length and also two equal angles. Look at the picture. Here two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. This one and this one. These two sides are equal and also two angles are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Next one, scalene triangle, in which all the three sides are unequal or have the different length. So here you can see all the sides are unequal and it is a scalene triangle. Points to be remembered. Pair of lines can be intersecting, parallel. Pair of lines can be intersecting, parallel, coincident or perpendicular. Triangles can be classified on the basis of their sides and angles. Again, on the basis of their sides, triangles are equilateral, isosceles or scalene. On the basis of their angles, triangles are acute angled, next one right angled and obtuse angle triangle. So here we have learned about the classification of triangle on the basis of their sides and angles. I hope it will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.